So next topic on Module 1 kinematics of machines. Okay, so Module 1 chapter mechanisms. Next topic is intermittent motion mechanisms. Intermittent motion means that the motion is not continuous, but it is seized or stopped at definite intervals. So there are many instances where it is necessary to convert continuous motion into intermittent motion. One of the foremost example is indexing of a work table on a machine tool. So some of the internal machines are: first one, ratchet and power mechanism. As you can see from the figure, this mechanism is used in producing intermittent rotary motion from an oscillating or reciprocating motion member. The ratchet and ball mechanism consists of a ratchet wheel as shown in the figure, that is 2, and ball as shown in the figure, that is 3, and the lever which is carrying the power, that is 3, is raised. The ratchet wheel rotates in counterclockwise direction. It is driven by the ball. As the lever carrying the ball 3 is lowered, ball slides onto the ratchet teeth. One more ball 5 is used to prevent the ratchet from reversing. Ratchets are used in feed mechanisms, lifting jacks, clocks, watches, and counting devices. Geneva mechanism. Geneva mechanism is an intermittent motion mechanism. It consists of driving wheel D as shown in the figure, carrying a pin P as shown in the figure, which engages in a slot of the follower F as shown in the figure. During 1/4 revolution of the revolving of the driving plate, the pin and the follower will remain in contact. Hence, during the follower will turn by 1/4 turn. During the remaining time of the 1 revolution of the driver, the follower remains at rest locked in position by circular arc. This mechanism is used in preventing overwinding of mainsprings in clocks and watches. The feeding of film oil roll in early motion picture projectors and indexing of table for the motion of free shuttles slot must be tangential to the path in engagement. This means that the angle will be a right angle triangle. Also, the angle beta is half of the angle turned by the follower through the indexing period. The locking leg is provided along the follower and it is not be text. So these are the two intermittent motion mechanisms